In this video, we are going to change the text, we'll also change the images in the Elementor, and we'll change the section styles and much more. So without wasting any time, let's just get in. So here, we'll go in the edit with Elementor. You can see the various sections over here, and if you click on that, you will be able to see these options over here, and we'll just go to the edit module, which will take us to the slider revolution. Just change the text over here. Development has never been easy with us, and just save it and just preview. You can see the changes which are made over here. Development has never been easy with us. Now let's just change the image over here by going to the media library. We will change this image in the media library. Let me just select this feedback one, yes, and insert. As you can see, it's uploaded successfully, and I want to change the other image too. So I'll go in the media library again and select what I want and save this. And in the preview, I can see the changes which are made over here, and it looks stunning. So let's just hop back again and see for various sections which one can we change. This is the preview of the changes which are made. So not only that, we'll change some more things too. Let's just take this section about us, and image and the text will be changed. So same step, go in the image media library, select the image you want and update. This one seems good, and we will change the text over here. We'll write benefits of Sofbox, or we can just change this to what can Sofbox do for you. Caps on, we updated it. Now we will see in the section. Let's just edit some more sections over here. Let's just take our team. We'll find various styles over here. Let's see which one looks good. This one looks good. Let's just select this one and update it. And in the preview, we can see this stunning change that we made in our team. So this is just a small customization that we did in this video. There are much more and good ones. So make sure you stick around and subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon.